Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best automatic espresso machines, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. DeLonghi Espresso Machine. Indulge in the luxurious world of coffee with the DeLonghi Espresso Machine, where every cup is crafted to perfection. Imagine waking each morning to the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee, expertly brewed to your liking. This machine, with its elegant design and intuitive controls, transforms your kitchen into a barista-level cafe. Experience the thrill of one-touch brewing, allowing you to effortlessly select espresso, coffee, or Americano at the push of a button. The manual frother invites you to create creamy lattes and velvety cappuccinos, igniting your passion for coffee artistry. With adjustable brewing options, your beverage can match your unique taste every time. Elevate your daily ritual and share the joy of coffee moments with loved ones, making each sip special. Make the DeLonghi Espresso Machine a centerpiece in your home and cherish every cup. Number 2. Additix Espresso Machine. Delight in the art of coffee making with the Additix Espresso Machine. Every sip becomes a moment of indulgence as you craft your favorite espresso-based creations right at home. Feel the excitement of preparing lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos that whisper luxury and warmth. The professional 20-bar pressure system extracts rich aromas and flavors, bringing cafe-style experiences to your kitchen. Imagine the joy of frothing milk to create captivating latte art, transforming ordinary mornings into extraordinary rituals. Designed for both home and office, this compact machine brings elegance and functionality together. Enjoy precision with an intelligent temperature control system that ensures your coffee is brewed to perfection. The user-friendly design encourages experimentation, allowing you to discover your unique coffee preferences. Elevate your daily routine with the Additix Espresso Machine and embrace the simple pleasure of remarkable coffee moments. Number 3. Philips Baristina Espresso Machine. Transform your mornings with the Philips Baristina Espresso Machine, a gateway to rich, flavorful espresso from the comfort of your home. Feel the anticipation build as freshly ground beans awaken your senses, creating a coffee experience that speaks to your love for exceptional flavors. With just a swipe of the handle, savor the artistry of barista-style brewing, delivering your favorite espresso in less than 1 minute. The compact design fits effortlessly on your kitchen counter, offering a powerful solution without taking up space. Imagine enjoying that perfect crema and robust taste, morning after morning. This machine not only brews delightful coffee but also embraces sustainability with its use of recycled materials. Let each cup tell a story of passion and warmth as you indulge in moments of pure joy with the Philips Baristina Espresso Machine, your partner in daily delight. Number 4. Philips Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Transform your morning routine with the Philips Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Experience the joy of cafe-quality coffee at home, crafted just for you. Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed espresso, where each cup feels like a warm embrace. With just one touch, this innovative machine grinds, tamps, and brews, making your coffee experience effortless and personal. The classic milk frother allows you to create creamy lattes and indulgent cappuccinos, bringing the cafe to your kitchen. Enjoy the simplicity of easy maintenance with the AquaClean filter, ensuring you savor pure flavors with every sip. Investing in this espresso machine means you can skip costly coffee shop visits and enjoy premium beverages daily. Elevate your coffee ritual and cherish each moment spent relaxing with family and friends over perfectly brewed drinks. Number 5. Bosch Espresso BS 500 Machine. Discover the magic of coffee with the Bosch Espresso Machine Model BS 500, where every cup is a delightful experience. Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed espresso, latte macchiato, or cappuccino, perfectly crafted at the touch of a button. This remarkable machine turns your kitchen into a luxurious cafe, allowing you to indulge in exquisite beverages every day. With its elegant silver design and innovative frothing system, enjoy creamy, frothy milk that elevates your coffee moments. Personalize your drink to match your mood, choosing from various strength levels for a tailored taste. Effortless maintenance ensures you spend less time cleaning and more time savoring. Bring home this culinary masterpiece and feel the warmth of rich flavors envelop you, transforming your daily routine into a journey of coffee-inspired bliss. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.